Hi, my name is Kishor. The journey of the store has started in 2000. I have been working here since the day one. So I have a experience of this furniture line, interior line, about 15 or more years, because earlier we were into little bit of furniture, little bit of accessories, but now we have transferred ourselves more into the interior and the complete furniture range line. Mostly we take loose furniture orders only, and as per the client's requirement, we change the style of the sofa, we design the sofa, we design other center tables. Suppose if some client wants the 7 feet sofa into the 7.5 feet, so we customize as per their requirement, as per the size what they need to fit at their home. Density also we can changes, and all the fabric, everything client can provide us, and we are helping them with the choosing of the right material, right size, right design, dimension as per the fitting of their home, as per the style of their home. The sofas, center tables and the beds. So these are the most popular item from our side, and we have done many customization in terms of the look, whatever you are seeing it right now in the store also. Apart from that, in the same particular design we have changed a lot as per the client requirement, and it has turned out well by God's grace, and clients are really happy with that. So we have a different design in our store itself, and we have different finishes. We have a lamination finish, we have a Duco PU finish. In polish also we have different varieties in terms of the colors. So suppose client has a lighter tone in their house, so we recommend them to go with the natural finish. And with the natural finish also we can suggest them like this. The lamination in the natural wood finish works very well. So we tell them that this kind of finish can be achieved in another furniture as well. So once the client is freeze on the designs and everything, so first we send them the drawing to understand this is the scale of the sofa and this is how it's going to be looking. And after the approval of the client, the same drawing goes to the workshop and we start working on them, and we work with the carpenters team. Our backend team is there. We work with them and we figure out that how it's going to be looking, and then the process starts from there. In the sofas, wood frame works start first. After the wood frame, we do the forming and everything. Then the fabric part comes with the stitching, where the stitching is going, how the stitching client likes it. So that all detail we work with, and we ready the sofa. Then before it reaches to the client, with a special request, we call the client to the workshop also. We make them sit on the couch and we tell them if they want any changes, they can do it there and there before we finalize the fabric on that. So once they approved everything, we put the fabric and we deliver the sofas. Unusual request, the most unusual request is whether it's weatherproof sofa, like water resistant sofa fabric. So it is there or not. So we always question mark ourselves, where do we get this fabric which is all weatherproof? So we tell them, of course we tell them no, only we do not have. And suppose outside if you're getting in a market also, we have never come through that kind of process. That was for the outside, but in the indoor also there's a coating. We spray the sofas and it somehow the leak, something coffee spills over it. It doesn't absorb inside the sofa fabric. It just layer it on the top and you can just wipe it with the tissues and all. So it protects the sofa. So that is a coating has been done by us. Two kind of varieties we use. Wherever the wider surface are there, we use marine ply and teak veneer, and wherever the structures are within 4 to 5 inches, so there we use the wood only. Like the dining tables, the top surface of all the dining tables are made in marine ply and teak veneer, but all the legs of the dining tables are in teak wood only. Teak wood has a more strength, it has more beauty in it. The way we send it, where we do the polishing and all, it enhances its beauty. So it definitely looks very, very good. Yes, the installation part has been done, like the bed which are there in the Bombay house, it can't go in a one-piece bed. So we always make the bed in dismantle format and we assemble it at the client's residence. Wardrobes. We have to make the wardrobes in our workshop only. Most of the client denies that you can't do any work in a house, be it the wardrobe also. They said you have to make it at your workshop and get it, you just fix it for us. So that is the most difficult part what we face it. But yeah, somewhat it works for us, and we have delivered those kind of wardrobes also. So in terms of the design, the cane is very much in right now. So we really mix the wood with the cane. So client have the requirement of they need the cane work in the dining chair, in the bed. So we do that cane work in the bed as well, in the dining chair as well. And some of the cane work can be done on the wardrobe as well. So those are the trending in right now, and most of the people now they are going for the wooden look. So the veneer, we work with the veneer which looks like nearer to the teak wood only. There are other imported brands available in the market. Those kind of Italian sofas have the depth as per the European and American standard sizes, and we have a medium range of the height people around in India. So our sofa depths are really comfortable to go with the Indian market. Besides woodwork, we work with the metal also much more, and we have made a dining table which is made in SS, and it's been done in PU coated or the PVD coating done. In terms of SS, I am saying it's a stainless steel. It's a high grade what we use, which is stain resistant steel. This kind of metal work also it's very much in right now. The client who wants very elegant design, so we definitely work with the metal base and the marble top on it. Those kind of finishes also looks amazing, and it takes the different level. Whenever the modernized house goes, the client have this kind of requirement. They want the metal with a gold finish. Many of the client in Bombay, I guess they have owned the interior people or the architect people. So whenever they come with their set of design, what is not available in our store. But we always crack through that, and we work with them. We have to satisfy here the architect, not the client. So we work as per the design what architect provides us, and we deliver it to the client. It's a big journey for myself. I'm here since 23 years, and whatever I have learned over here, my learning, interior designing skill, everything is from here only. So I do not have any design background, but I must say that I've learned everything over here. So this is my degree college itself.